What's up, fellas? Average Model Guy here, bringing you the next adventure in modeling. We've got the AMT Construction Bulldozer. I believe this is a 1/24 scale? 25th scale. My mistake. 1/25th scale Construction Bulldozer. I'm really excited about building this one. My wife got me this for Christmas. With the model competitions we have here, they're going to be opening a new category for construction, so I'm going to see if I can maybe take home first place with a bulldozer. I guess without further ado, we'll tear into the box and see what we got. First thing, we got our instructions. And let's take a look. Pretty detailed out engine. It'd be fun to build. Yeah. Pretty good build. Now, I think if I remember right, with the front of the box, it said that the front blade will actually move up and down. So, I guess with those, we'll find out. I don't know if I'm going to make it stagnant or if we're going to actually make it move up and down or not. I'm thinking about doing a diorama with this one, so we'll see. And our first bag looks like it's the tracks we're going to have to put together piece by piece. A piece of rubber in there for something. It's going to be fun to put together. Second sprue, chrome parts. Here are drive wheels. This chrome diamond plate, that looks really sharp. Valve covers, fan. Other pieces in here. Maybe that looks like that might be the foot pedal there too. Yeah, looks like a lot of fun. There's a couple different screws in this bag, so we'll tear her open and see what we got. First one up, looks like we got, let's see, engine pieces, definitely. Yeah, got our exhaust manifolds. Alright. Like it's already yellow. I'll make it a little bit easier. I bought, no, that wasn't the right one. I got some flat yellow I was going to try for the color, but I could have swore I bought, yeah, I guess maybe the flat yellow is what I was going to go ahead and use. It's Model Air flat yellow. Give that a shot. Cab pieces, I'm assuming. Yep. Alrighty. What we got here? Guessing frame. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got, I mean, it's even got pretty good raised detail here. That'll be pretty nice when it comes to weathering. I like it. Next one up. And get it out of the bag would be wonderful. And looks like the radiator right there. Yeah. We have the piece come off inside here. A couple of pieces come off, it looks like. Maybe the front or the back, I'm not really sure. Another piece here. So we'll find out when we start putting it together. Next one. Alright. Yeah, we got the front blade. Got a good idea on how I'm going to do this. Might actually do a video of how I'm going to make this look weathered up pretty good, rusted up pretty good. Pieces back here, these look like the hydraulic pistons for the front blade. This must be another piece for it as well. Here's a rear scraper, I'm thinking of what that is right there. Yep. Other pieces. And we got our last bag of screw. Bag of screw. And we've got all our drive parts here. Look at all these drive wheels, or these road wheels. It's going to be a lot of fun. Return wheel, I'm thinking, is what these are here. It's like a tank. Other pieces to go with that. Yeah, I think this is going to be a lot of fun to put together. Be just kind of like putting together a tank. And then our decals. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Oh, look at that. Oh, they even got different grills for each of the different companies. Bloomfield Construction here, Oakland Builder Supply, and Universal. I think I'm going to go with Universal on this one. I was at my local hobby shop, and they've got a, I think it's either an El Camino or a Ranchero, I can't remember for sure, but it's the construction manager's car, and it's got the same decals for that. So if I decide to do a diorama, I'm probably going to buy that model and include it on the diorama with this. So, I mean, that's it. And then you got, you know, got the grill, radiator grill pattern here that's got the Universal Construction logo. We'll be utilizing for that. So yeah, all right. Well, I think that's going to do it for this unboxing. Pretty quick and painless. Yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to leave me comments down there. I definitely want tips and suggestions, because I'm tackling a new realm with construction vehicles here. So we'll see you guys for the build video. Be on the lookout for it, because it'll be coming out soon. See you in the next video.